Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha. And I'm here to teach you how to pan sear some scallops and then make a pan sauce with that called Manhattan sauce. In this sauce, we've got a half a lemon, we've got a half a cup of sweet vermouth, we've got 1 large shallot minced, we've got 2 cloves of garlic minced, got a half a stick of butter. You can't forget the sea scallops. These are big U10 Sea Scallops. I'm gonna cook with an oil that has a high smoke point. This is avocado oil. We're gonna salt these scallops, just one side. So here we go. Another good test to know when your scallops are ready is if they grab onto the pan when you try to flip them up to look at them, they're not ready. Ooh, those scallops are looking good. Nice sear. So I'm just gonna flip them on the other side. Beautiful sear on these scallops. I'm not sure you guys could see that, but these are just gorgeous, gorgeous scallops. Putting about 2 tablespoons of butter in right now. Look at these beautiful seared scallops. Oh, gorgeous presentation. Put them on my plate. And now I'm gonna put in the shallots. Got the shallots inside. I'm gonna mix those around with the butter. Now we wanna add the garlic. And we're using that sweet vermouth in here. So that's gonna deglaze the pan, get any of those bits from the scallops that are still stuck to the bottom of the pan up into your sauce, give it a nice umami and seafood flavor. So here we go. We're just gonna juice this half a lemon right into the pan. Mix this in, add a little salt, a little butcher pepper, and then just for some excitement, I'll do a sprinkle or 2 of the red hot peppers or the red chili flakes. We have those gorgeous scallops that we seared just a little bit ago. Now we're gonna just spoon on this Manhattan sauce. Get all the shallots, all of that deliciousness inside of here. Makes a beautiful presentation. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Barbecue Buddha, cooking indoors today with a great sea scallops seared with a Manhattan pan sauce that's over top of sea scallops. Let's give one a bite. Let's just see how these taste. Good eats. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Barbecue Buddha says,